Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Shalazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you an amazing card controlling technique which takes place in the disguise of an overhand shuffle. Now as you know, the overhand shuffle is very fast and very smooth. For that reason, this card trick is also very fast and very smooth, and since it happens in the disguise of an overhand shuffle, it looks very natural and unpredictable. This card controlling technique is called the Mahatma card control, and in today's video we're going to learn about that. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Daniel. Follow him on Instagram. Link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Alright guys, here is the performance of the Mahatma control. Now in the performance you're going to see that this is one of the fastest, cleanest and the most natural looking card control. Your spectators aren't going to suspect you of doing any kind of nasty moves because it is all natural. So here is the performance of it. You can see I have this deck of playing cards with all the cards shuffled. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a random playing card. For example, let's say this one, the 10 of spades, and as you can see the 10 of spades goes right inside the deck of cards, and I'm going to just shuffle the deck of cards just like that, and with just one shuffle, one overhand shuffle, you'll be able to see that the 10 of spades has come to the top of the deck. Now I can also do this one more time with a face up card. This time you'll be able to see that this is the 10 of clubs. Now with just one shuffle just like that, the 10 of clubs is actually on the top of the deck. So this is how the Mahatma control looks like. Let's see how you can do this card controlling technique. Alright guys, for doing this card controlling technique you need to know one move very swiftly, that is the overhand shuffle. And the overhand shuffle is very simple move. You just need to hold the deck of cards in the middle grip like this with the thumb over here and rest of the fingers over here, and you're going to pull out piles of card onto your other hand with the help of your thumb. Okay, so this is called the overhand shuffle. Now once you know how to do the overhand shuffle, you'll be able to do this card controlling technique straight away, this Mahatma control straight away. So what you need to do is, at first, as your spectator selects a playing card, for example let's say this one, the 6 of spades, you're going to put the rest of the cards on top of the 6 of spades. But as you do that, you're going to keep your pinky right over here, and then you're going to put the rest of the cards on top of the 6 of spades. So what happens right now is you have a brick on the top of the 6 of spades. Okay, now as you have that, you're also having the other hand in the natural position as you hold the deck of cards. So the pinky break is not visible to your spectators who are standing in front of you. So at this point you're having their card in this position with the pinky break and the rest of the cards on top of them. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to do the overhand shuffle, and for that you just need to tilt your deck this side, and as you tilt this deck this side, that is the time when you actually do the move. What you do is you tilt the entire deck, and from the brick, this all the top cards, you're actually taking it away from the bottom pack where the 6 of spades is still there. So the bottom pack is right over here and the top pack is right on the top of the pinky brick. Now as you turn your hands, you're actually sliding the top packet just like that, and it looks like that you pulled one pile of cards onto this hand. And actually what you're doing is, when you're turning your hand, you're pulling these cards away, the top pack away, and you are just flipping the bottom pack just like this with the help of your your pinky finger. You're just flipping the bottom pack just like this. So in full speed it looks like this thing. Okay, it looks somewhat like that. So one more time, you're going to just tilt this deck of cards just like this, and as you're tilting you're also bringing this top packet out. You're just sliding this top packet out and you're just flipping over the bottom packet and putting all these moves together. It looks like this, and then as you do that, you're not going to stop for a fraction of a second because that will look unnatural. So what you're going to do is you are going to just tilt your hand just like this, and as soon as you pull this top packet outside just like that and flip this bottom packet, you are going to continue that movement with overhand shuffles just like that. Okay, so as you do the overhand shuffles, the bottom packet is right now shifted to the top, and the bottom packet had the 6 of spades on top of it, and so it is right now on the top of the deck. So that way the card gets controlled to the top of the deck. Now one more time in slow motion, let me show you what is actually going on in the entire process. So let's say the spectator selects a playing card, the ace of clubs, and then you're putting all the cards on top of it with the pinky break. Now then you're going to do the card control, and you're going to do the card control in the disguise of the overhand shuffle. So you're turning everything just like that, and as you're turning everything just like that, you're sliding the top packet out and flipping the bottom packet where you have the ace of clubs on top of that. You're just doing that and then continuing it with the overhand shuffle. So the ace of clubs has already gone to the top of the deck, and this is how the card is controlled. So in full speed it should look something just like this. So we have the jack of hearts right over here. Now we have the rest of the cards on top of it, and then we are going to just shuffle the rest of the cards, and the jack of hearts is right now on top of the entire deck. So this is how the card control is done. This is the Mahatma control, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @ShoelAzari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack with Monday episodes. Peace.